Synergy's still nicely and comfortably ahead, and it's going to be whoever manages to weave their way through these flat patches that will win this race. Synergy looking very, very good, and they'll have taken everyone here in the competition a little by surprise. They've done a very good job so far.
So Ross, when you look down towards the finish, it's starting to look pretty glassy down there. Emirates Team New Zealand are making some nice gains. They're sailing in on their transom.
Yeah, we are. We're coming in very, very fast on them now. They lost momentum, which is something you just can't afford to do in this breeze. So slightly to weather of us now. They'd be 3 boat lengths to our left to weather of us.
And the Russian team are laying through to the finish for an upset victory against the red-hot favourites, Emirates Team New Zealand. Twice the Russians have come from behind to pass the Kiwis.
Don't get too excited, Peter, but the Russians have parked in the water. They've sailed into an absolute hole, and we're steaming along doing 8.7 knots. So
look at this.
Hold all
look
tickets,
at
mate.
this.
Hold
Emirates Team New Zealand coming from behind. The Russians have hit the wall. Look for Emirates Team New Zealand to roll right round the outside of the helpless Russians. The 4th lead change in this race. Emirates Team New Zealand, right on the line, have sailed round the outside of the Russians. My word. And the Spinnaker the Jenica on Emirates Team New Zealand come down. How far from the line are you, Ross? Are you over yet?
Half a boat length. We're almost
Here
there.
it comes. Here comes the finish. Emirates Team New Zealand for a come-from-behind victory over the Synergy Russian sailing team. Amazing race.
Unbelievable. The Synergy guys will feel terribly disappointed with that.